Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's DIY is a box shelf. Allow me to apologize in advance for any odd noises in the background because it is raining here. Taking a regular box, this one was shipped to me a while back, carving out the top of it and measuring out on that top piece of cardboard about the depth of the box. This will be your inner shelf. You can make up to 2 of them depending on the depth of the box, but I only wanted one for this specific shelf. Next, you're going to want to cover the outside in duct tape. The reason why I chose duct tape is because it's really easy to get to, it's easy to apply, and I was able to use less than 2 rolls to cover all the edges that I wanted covered and still had some extra. It also gave it a really cool effect. Once the entire box is covered with the duct tape where you want it to cover, next is working on the shelf. You're going to want to take that piece of cardboard that you cut, cover the end that will be exposed with the duct tape to make sure that you have a pretty seam and it doesn't end up peeling apart later. Then, paint the inside of the box with the desired color that you like. I chose black because the ends and the bottom side of the shelf were already black, so I went ahead and just painted the inside of the box the same color. Once the paint's dried, next is putting the shelf in place, measuring out where you want it to be and making sure that it's as level as you can make it, and then attaching it to the box by using hot glue. You can use the duct tape as well if you would like, but I really like the way the hot glue looked, so I ended up keeping the hot glue. Attach it along the back on both top and bottom of the shelf, and along both sides on both the top and bottom. And that's it. Once the glue has had time to cool and fully set, then you can start using it as a regular shelf, and you can put just about anything in there. This one is for leather crafting tools. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know down in the comment section